Class 4. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 5, that is the Internet Web Browser. In this video I will explain only few topics. So this is your part 1 video. I hope you will understand the topics. Children, let's start with the topics. First is Internet. What is the Internet, children? Internet is the global network of various interconnected computer networks which provide a bundle of information and communication services to its users. The Internet came into limelight in 1990 when computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web or WWW. Internet is also referred to as network of networks. Next is basic requirements for an internet connection. The basic requirements which one should have to get connected to the internet are computer system, ISP, telephone line, modem, and web browser. Now we will discuss these terms in detail. First is computer system. It is the basic thing which a user should have in order to access the information on the internet. Okay? For better performance, the computer system should be equipped with multimedia technology. Next is your ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. An ISP is an agency which provides internet access to its customers, and in return, customers pay fees to the agency. Okay? An ISP is also referred to as IAP, that is Internet Access Provider. Alright? Next is top 5 ISPs of India are BSNL, MTNL, Bharti Airtel, Hathway Cable, and Tata Communications. Third requirement is telephone line. Telephone line is the medium through which your computer system gets connected with the Internet Service Provider or ISP. Next is modem. Modem is a short form of modulation, demodulation. It is a hardware device which converts the digital signals of the computer to the analog signals. Modulation process of converting digital signals to analog signals. So in this process, the digital signals are converted into analog signals. On the contrary, demodulation is the process of converting analog signals into the digital signals. Okay? There are two types of modem, that is internal and external. Internal modem. Internal modem is fixed on the motherboard of a computer, and external modem is connected with the computer system through LAN cable. Next is your web browser. A web browser is an application software which helps in browsing the www or web in short. It helps the user in accessing information on the internet. It is used to search for various websites and web pages. A variety of web browsers are designed to run on different operating systems. Some commonly used browsers are Google Chrome, Opera, Mozilla Firefox, and others you can see in the image also. Next is components of a browser window. We can use any browser. Every browser window has some common parts. Here we will discuss about Google Chrome. Children, you can see in the image, there are certain names, like see here, this is your back button, this is your forward button, this is refresh or reload the page button. This is a tab. Then this small is your new tab, or you can add a new tab with the help of this. Then this entire thing is this space is known as your address bar. Then here we can add or edit bookmarks.